Hi, welcome to Answers Cube. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more updates about free online courses, course answers, and internships. Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Google is conducting free online training event and we are going to see about that in this video. Before going into the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do press the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also connect with me on social media platforms like Instagram and Telegram. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out. Now let's go to the content of this video. So Cloud Onboard Unleash Your Data Potential is the name of this free online training event that is going to be conducted by Google from October 27, 2020 to October 29, 2020, in which you will be learning about the fundamentals of data analysis, machine learning, and data processing. And you will also learn something about BigQuery. And on October 27, the topic will be big data and machine learning, in which you will be learning about the upcoming cloud concepts like serverless, containers, data warehousing, and machine learning. And on October 28th, the topic will be data warehousing with BigQuery, in which you'll be learning about how to build a modern data warehouse with BigQuery. And you will also learn how to create machine learning models in BigQuery. And in addition to these things, you will also learn about Google Cloud's ETL tools, and you'll learn how to process streaming data. And there are a lot more topics available for you in these 2 days. And if you scroll down, you can see the time-wise schedule for 2-day training program here. So day 1 will be starting with big data and machine learning. It will be starting at 9:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time on October 27. So it is going to be night time, 9:30 p.m. on October 27. And day 1 will last up to October 28th, 1:30 a.m. in the morning. So it's going to be in the night time from 9:30 p.m. to 1:30 a.m. And you will be covering all these topics on day 1, in which you'll be learning about big data and machine learning. And on day 2, in which you'll be learning data warehousing modernization with BigQuery. It will be starting again on October 28, 9:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. And you will cover all these topics like BigQuery basics, BigQuery performance, and ETL tools. And it will last up to October 29th, 12:30 a.m. So it's again night time from 9:30 p.m. to 12:30 a.m. on October 29th. So here they have given all the details like what are the sessions and what you'll be learning and who is the speaker. It is the speaker name, Meenal Borkar. They have given the speaker name under each topic. You can just look into it. Complete date, time, title, schedule is given here. You can just click on day 1 and day 2, like big data and machine learning is day 1 and data warehousing is day 2. You can click on it and see all the details. And what are the benefits of attending this online training program by Google? So you will get an e-certificate of participation and badges once you complete the training program on each day. And in addition to that, you can also participate on the cloud challenges in Cloud Hero. If you complete the online challenge successfully, you will get 1 month free access to hands-on labs powered by Quick Labs. And after participating in that, you will get Google Cloud Skill Badge, which you can share on your resume and on your LinkedIn profile or something like that. And you will also get some exclusive discount on various training programs offered by Google. So these are the benefits of attending this online training program by Google. So now let's see how to register for this online training program. So first we need to sign in here in Google Cloud. So you can see here sign in, click on it, and you can just continue with Google. So now I have logged into my account. Now let's start the registration process. So you can see here register, just click on it. And you have to give your name, last name, and company name. So if you are a student, give your college name here and give your college email ID here and give your college website here. And if you are a working person, you can give your company name and working email and company website itself here. And you can give your phone number, and then you have to give your job title. And if you are a student, type in student, and in job role, give us other. And in industry, select the option other if you are a student, and give your country. And then once you have given all the details, click yes here and then click on register. So let me give my details and catch up after that. So once you have given your details, click on yes here and then click on register. So that's it. Now we have registered for this online training event from Google. You can see that here. Thank you for registering. You will receive an email confirmation with details about the event shortly. So you will receive an email with all the details about the Cloud Onboard training program. So you can see that mail in your email inbox. It may take some time to receive this mail from Google. So wait for some time. You will receive it definitely after registration is completed. So this is how you need to register for this training event, Cloud Onboard Unleash Your Data Potential. So after registration, you will see that here also. Thanks for registering. So this is the content for this video. Google is conducting a 2-day free online training event in which you can also get a certificate after completing the training on October 27 and 28. Note that the timing is going to be October 27, 9:30 p.m. is the starting time, and you will be learning about machine learning, data analysis, data processing, BigQuery, and a lot more. So make use of this opportunity to learn from Google. So this is the content for this video. I hope this one was useful to you all. To get more updates about free online courses, course answers, and internships, subscribe to AnswersQ and press the bell icon. And you can also connect with me on social media platforms like Instagram and Telegram. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you need anything, and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video till the end.